Dragon fruit versus mango. Both are colorful, delicious, and packed with skin. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sufia, and welcome to Daily Tips, your go-to channel for quick science-backed health advice. From nutrition hacks to simple lifestyle changes, I'll help you stay fit, healthy, and full of energy every day. Subscribe now and start your journey to a better you, one tip at a time. Today's beauty battle is between two tropical powerhouses, dragon fruit versus mango. Both are colorful, delicious, and packed with skin-loving nutrients. But the big question is, which one truly gives your skin that healthy glow? Let's find out. Let's start with the exotic dragon fruit, also known as pitaya. Dragon fruit is a skincare secret many people don't talk about enough. It's loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and beta-carotene, which help fight free radicals, the main cause of dull and aging skin. Its antioxidants help repair skin damage, reduce fine lines, and even brighten your complexion naturally. Plus, dragon fruit is rich in water and natural enzymes, which keep your skin hydrated and help remove toxins that can cause breakouts. It's like a tropical detox for your face, glowing, fresh, and smooth. Now, let's talk about the king of fruits, the mango. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A, C, and E, which are essential for skin regeneration and collagen production. Vitamin A helps your skin stay firm and youthful, while vitamin C boosts radiance and supports wound healing. Mango also contains beta-carotene and polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from UV damage and pollution, perfect for maintaining that natural golden glow. And here's something interesting. Mangoes help your body flush out toxins, keeping acne, pimples, and blackheads at bay. So, if you want smooth, soft, and glowing skin, mango is a fruit you shouldn't skip. So, which one is the ultimate skin-boosting fruit, dragon fruit or mango? If you're looking for deep hydration, detox, and a natural glow, dragon fruit is your go-to. But if you want anti-aging benefits, collagen support, and a radiant glow from within, mango takes the crown. The best beauty tip? Combine both. Add dragon fruit to your smoothies and mango to your salads. Your skin will thank you with that perfect, healthy glow. If you enjoyed this fruity face-off, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Are you team mango or team dragon fruit? See you in the next health and beauty showdown.